get this page here, get your link, and be sharing it with people. So, this is just the prime season for this. Utilize these really slick tools that we've built, so we can get it here. And following this season, we'll just keep adapting, and we'll put a big push onto the New Year's resolutions. As people get into December, so the prospecting you do now, the showing people the deals now, this leads into like a funnel. When you get somebody in with the free app and they're getting savings, they see the product, and just naturally bring them along this path to being an affiliate, going 1-star, going 2-star. And I got an important point here, guys. On 2-star in October, we did the double bonus pool. The global bonus pool for 2-stars was in October. I went through, I audited it. We'd set it up to pay. It didn't pay. So on this Friday, everybody that was a 2-star in October, you'll see another bonus pool check on there. You'll be like, are they paying bonus pools again? Nope, that was from last month. So there's a second share of the bonus pool. We just doubled it for October. And in our audit of the payout, it didn't go out. So for those of you that were 2-stars in the month of October, on Friday, because Friday is a regular bank holiday, you'll see on those commission checks. So if you're wondering what that extra money's for, it's the bonus, the double bonus that was paid in October. All right.
Boy, Charles, I'm really enjoying how much shopping has evolved. I don't know if you guys remember, but I once got up at 4:30 in the morning to go to Macy's to get a suit on Black Friday, and I mean I've hip checked people to get a TV and waited in giant lines and sat at the Apple store, and it's pretty amazing that you can just do all that online. And they didn't give the big discounts online until pretty recently. And everybody obviously shops on Amazon and stuff, but people, I think we're still in our infancy when it comes to going to like Sephora.com and shopping directly. I think that's still kind of a new thing to people. So I'm glad we're at the forefront of all that.
Yeah, good point there, Pete. Yeah, and so like right here, and a lot of these companies, they do a whole cyber week and then a whole cyber month, and it's pretty silly. But
Hey,
inside
Charles,
here,
real quick tip on this too. If you guys accidentally go to a store, which I have, because I'm Christmas shopping, so I'll type in, let's say, a certain store that my girlfriend wants, and I'll go look at it, and then I'm like, wait a second, do I get cash back on it? And if I see it on here, what I'll do is I'll come over here and click, or I'll clear my cookies to make sure I get the deal, and then I'll go back to it. So that's one thing you want to do. But a lot of you are buying stuff and you're not even remembering, oh, I went to Macy's. And Macy's might be giving you a lot of cash back. You got to get in your brain to go in here and click on the shopping portal and then click Macy's. You're going to get the same deals, the same store, but don't miss out on that free money, right? So it's just that one thing. I've caught myself doing it myself because you just get busy browsing and then you're like, oh, and then I'll kick myself if I lose money, right? So you want to come back in here and do it. Macy's is
yep,
right there, by the way, too. So
yep, yeah, I was pulling that here, and you can see, um, they've got all types of savings here. You got your cash back at 2.7% additionally, but they've got all types of deals here. So not only are you getting their best Black Friday special, but you're also getting cash back when you go through Save Club, and we got a cash back match going as well. So just letting you guys know that this stuff is out there. And Temu is offering like 22% for new customers. If you've never been a Temu customer, click it through your portal and you get all types of bonuses as well. So just let me kind of show everyone how to activate that again. So from your Save Club membership back office, you go right back here to cashback shopping, and then that is what opens up this portal. You can do all your browsing and your shopping through here, and pull all your deals. Okay, so let's get back to
Yeah, Alo's like the most popular store now in Southern California. We got it right there.
Oh, is it? Well, which store is that, Pete? I never
It's
heard of
like a
it.
Lululemon. They're like an ALO. It's huge.
Right here.
Huge.
There you go. Yeah, 5.5% cash back,
Yeah.
25% off coupon. Let's see.
Nobody at the store is getting that.
Yeah. Okay, well let's activate this and see
And
what it
everyone,
is.
don't forget too, you could buy, and if you want to go in the store, a lot of times you could click shopping cart. Like try this, Strauss. Add something to a cart. Um, I don't know if there's going to be an address there if you can, but a lot of times it'll say
Oh
pick
yeah,
up.
no, this is pickup. No, all these stores encourage pickup. So you do your shopping online, you get the best online deal, you get your cash back, and then you go pick it up at the store. So if that's what you're referring to, Dave.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because then they get credit for the sale. They love it.
Yeah, yeah, totally. No, they encourage that for sure. So yeah, there you go. So um
a lot of times they'll just walk it right out to your car too.
okay, cool. So here's a 25% off on the pro program. Um and additional 5% off. So yeah, the deals are here. Okay. Okay, further push into I'm gonna switch subjects here. Further push into the health situation that's going on. People here in America are really dealing with a lot of change ups with the healthcare system. This is becoming more and more important. We've started the development of a page that will be part of this landing page here. So as we're directing people
You want me to pull it
through
up, Charles?
this page, yeah, if you can get it ready to pull up, please do. We'll show them what's coming. So as people come through here, um, and again, this is just a topic. This is going to come up as you're with friends and family, being social through the holidays. Remember, this is network marketing. It's word of mouth. And this might come up. It's definitely all over the news. It's on the tip of people's tongue. And if you can get them interested, have these links ready. Do your research, go and save your links, or make sure you know where this page is so that you can have your links ready. I mean,
You want me to show the back of it? What's that?
everybody that you're conversing with through the holidays should be downloaded and uploaded with the app. I mean, give the gift of $5, get $5. It's something to do here as you're meeting with your family. You can let them know what's going on
You
and just
want me
give
to
them a
share
gift.
the back of that, Charles, that we're going to take all the opportunity stuff out of it and so we can show them?
Yeah, we talked about that early on. Yep. And that's the difference here between a pre-customer and a pre-enrollee. So
Well, for
remember
the
this.
health, I was going to show the health page that we're going to be adding.
Oh yeah. You want to take that over?
Yeah, I just.
Hey, Charles, you know what I love about the app that relates to what Dave was saying? He said he hates it when he forgets to get his cash back. With the app, even if you forget, you still get it because it's happened to me more than once because the app knows that you shop there.
Yeah, because it's card linked. So what once your card is uploaded, you're locked in. So you spend that card at any of those vendors, both either online or in person, your card is linked there and the cash back is automatic. So that's fun to be able to share the app, give five, get five, and people got the automatic savings there. So this page here, Dave, you want to explain
Yeah.
what each of these videos do and how they're explaining the process?
So on the healthcare page, a lot of people just want the healthcare. They're not necessarily interested in the opportunity, right? You want to sign them up as a customer, give them healthcare. And so instead of having all the opportunity stuff, what we did is they're going to land on a page like this. It says what's included. I did a video here, 1 minute, 46 seconds. All right, let's talk about explaining the health portal, all the stuff you get inside the health portal, okay, why you want it. But then I said you need a Save Club membership to get it, which is going to be $19.97. So I did a separate video, 7 minutes long, where I walk them through all the different discounts and things that they can get included with their $19. So not only can they get the health savings for $49.97 for a whole family, but they need to spend the $19.97 to get Save Club in order to access it. But I show all the extra savings they can get just as a customer. And then we'll link this button where they'll sign up for Save Club for $19.97. And then they can immediately go in and order. I show them how to go in and order the Save Club Health and get that set up. So it's very simple. 2 videos. Both videos are about 10 minutes total to watch. And it's all customer driven.
You know, Dave, why don't you just take that page there, because it's just the generic page, doesn't link off to anything, and drop it into the chat here, so the people that are waiting for this will know what's there. And my goal is to get this live today, guys, so that as you send people through the health portal, they'll get dropped into the tour right onto the page with these videos. And that way we're just getting more congruency with the funnels, so that if you're leading with those health reels and health materials, you're getting them to the health benefits landing page, and then right to a page that explains that. If you're bringing people through the Christmas funnel, you've got these great Christmas promotions and the reels up front. You bring them through the funnel, and then you drop them into how people get savings. And we also have done this for Averderm, and we've done it for Stay Well Copper as well. So Dave, actually that was something we didn't really get to display all of that on the last presentation, and there is some really cool stuff there
Oh, you want
for
me to show it?
Stay Well. Yeah, well, you got that. Well, you got the drop open.
Let me pull up the drop here. Stay Well Copper. Let me pull it up here. Where in the heck did I got it? Hold on one second. Copper. All right, let me share my screen. All right, everyone. If you go into the main drop file, okay, which you can get through the training tab of your back office, 1116, it says copper. Okay, you can click on that, and then we got all the ones in here for copper. Okay, we did the Kevin Harrington video. Let me see if this is the right video though. Actually,
Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington.
this is the base
Yep.
video. We actually have a Vimeo video. Go to our Vimeo channel, and I dress this video up a little bit more with music and whatnot. You can grab that. But we got Stay Well Copper right here. We also had the Medicure as well. So for the supplement line, a bunch of stuff in there too for that. So we load up these content drops, guys. We can't force you to use it, but there's a lot of good stuff in there.
Yeah, and I want to make a point right now about how sustainable and powerful what is happening with Save Club exclusive deals really is. So as I assess what's happened inside of the direct sales and network marketing industry over the past 5 years. So since 2020, there was this huge shakeup inside of the network marketing industry. And we've seen companies like the large publicly traded companies from Amway and Herbalife and Nu Skin and companies like that take massive hits. We're talking about hundreds of millions of dollars in drops of their volume, because people aren't buying products to support a compensation plan. People aren't buying $150 auto ships. Like Nu Skin's got $200 plus auto ships, and it's just not working that way because the better products are out there. As the exclusive deal section in Save Club just continues to grow and grow, we've got an amazing hook here with extreme value that gives people access to the highest quality products, the lowest possible prices, and we're getting such a wide variety of products in here. Marcia introduced me to Howard. By the way, Marcia, you can let Howard know I got his products in here. I'm going through the full vetting of them. It is a natural oral care system for children, toothbrushes, advanced toothpaste. The advancements in toothpaste, nothing's really been dramatic, but until now. And now, if you're really serious about your health, a lot of disease actually starts in the mouth. And so now we've got better technology to cleanse your breath. If you got bad breath, halitosis, gingivitis, we got better things here. And again, with Save Club, we're always bringing products that people are already using. So wouldn't you like to have the most advanced care for your mouth at the best price? I mean, the toothpaste that is out there, the studies are out, the current administration, they're really going after how dangerous fluoride is inside of our products. And I mean, it's been a staple inside of our water system globally and in dental products. And it's just the benefit, it's not there. Yeah, fluoride might harden the enamel of your teeth, a little bit, but it's also going to cost